Amber Heard looks like she's having a hard time in today's trial. In one part of her testimony, she explains,
"What, if anything, did you do for Lily Rose's birthday?"
That's why we had gone back to LA. Johnny was sick after having passed out on the plane. So I took her to dinner. We went to Benihana's.
she had to take Lily Depp out to dinner for her birthday because Johnny was having one of his episodes. Her lawyer tries to share evidence with the court but ends up being objected to by Johnny's team. This happened thrice and the judge would ask the lawyers to approach all the time. This wasted a lot of time during the trial. The continuous objection did not end. Evidence that could have made a big difference in the trial was not allowed to be presented. Amber's lawyers asked,
"What, if any, communications did you have with Stephen Deuters?"
Objection, hearsay.
Your Honor, what, if any, communications did you have with Mr. Deuters communicating on behalf of Mr. Depp?
Objection, hearsay.
what communications she's had with Johnny's assistant, Stephen Deuters. This would perhaps be helpful to the case, but she cannot enter it in court. Depp's lawyers were quick to object to this, calling it hearsay.
And what, if any, communication were you having with him following the Boston plane incident?
Objection, hearsay. May we approach?
All right.
The lawyer tries to rephrase her question, but Johnny's team still objects. Now, Amber is having a hard time explaining her side without talking about Stephen. She said,
Yes, I did.
Please tell the jury about those communications.
I heard from him directly. I also heard from him through his assistants who were texting for him.
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay.
I'll sustain the objection.
admits that this is confusing for her to explain. The lawyer then asks,
After any kind of email to Mr. Depp to express your emotions and how you felt about all this?
Objection, hearsay.
Well, let's go, also lay the foundation, Your Honor. Let's go to defendants 239.
239.
Objection, hearsay, Your Honor.
And I would say both present sense impression and definitely state of mind, Your Honor.
if she has written any email to Johnny regarding this situation. This email would serve as another life-changing evidence if accepted. The Depp team objects. Then, they try to lay the foundation for her or explain the situation to make it easier to answer. But of course, Johnny's lawyers still object to this, and the judge also never misses to sustain. Amber Heard's team just lost a big piece of their story because majority of their evidence is hearsay. This just proves that her team is completely disorganized. That's all for this video. Watch what happens next to Amber in the next video.